Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the lock screen clock style on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the lock screen on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap and hold on the lock screen of your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on the clock and tap on style. Now from here, just select the clock style which you like. Just like that. Now once you have selected the lock screen clock style which you like, just tap on done. And this is how you can change the lock screen clock style on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.